Today, we're breaking down the top 8 best dash cams you can buy on Amazon right now, from budget picks to absolute powerhouses. Starting at number 8, the VIOFO A119 Mini 2. Sometimes the best dash cam is the one nobody sees. This is VIOFO's smallest shooter, a single front channel camera with the latest STARVIS 2IMX675 sensor, 2K at 60 FPS, DOL HDR night vision, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and a built-in supercapacitor. It handles extreme temperatures and hides perfectly behind your rearview mirror. Voice control and parking mode included. Just note, it's front camera only. At number 7, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W. Garmin is a name you know, and this one delivers. It shoots 1440p with an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view, uses Garmin Clarity HDR optics, and includes a 16 GB micro SD card. The magnetic low-profile mount makes installation easy. Parking guard alerts you via the app, and voice control works in 6 languages. Compact, discreet, and reliable. Coming in at number 6, the Nextbase 622GW. This dash cam is packed with features. It records in full 4K at 30 FPS, or switch to 1440p at 60 FPS, or 1080p at 120 FPS for slow motion playback. You also get image stabilization, extreme weather, see-through fog mode, with 3 words emergency location sharing, and Alexa built-in. Pair it with a rear cam for full coverage. This one does almost everything. At number 5, the THINKWARE U3000 Pro. This one focuses on safety. A 4K STARVIS 2 front cam and 2K rear, powered by an Ambarella CPU. The highlight: built-in front and rear radar parking mode, real radar, not just motion detection. It captures 10 seconds before and after events. You also get Super Night Vision 4.0, driver alerts, speed camera warnings, and more. A complete safety package. Coming in at number 4, the BlackVue Elite 9. True 4K front, true 2K rear, dual STARVIS 2 sensors, and dual HDR tuned with years of BlackVue expertise. It boots in under a second, has ultra-low power parking mode, and captures pre- and post-event footage instantly. Supports up to 1 TB storage and includes cloud features. This is a professional-grade dash cam. At number 3, the BlackVue DR970 XLT+2. If you want remote access, this is it. Built-in 4G LTE, just insert a SIM. You get live view, remote playback, GPS tracking, cloud backup, and instant alerts. 4K front with STARVIS 2, full HD rear, and smart parking mode. This is surveillance-level monitoring for your vehicle. At number 2, the VIOFO A329S. Want ultra-smooth footage? This one shoots 4K at 60 FPS, double the smoothness of standard 4K. Rear is 2K at 30 FPS. Dual STARVIS 2 sensors, Wi-Fi 6 for lightning-fast downloads, and support for up to 4 TB SSD storage. That's weeks of continuous recording. If you care about footage quality, This is a top-tier choice. And finally, at number 1, the VIOFO A119 Pro. This is where things get serious. Dual STARVIS 2 sensors, 4K front and 2K rear, both with HDR and advanced night vision that captures license plates even at high speed in the dark. 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, quad mode GPS, and advanced parking modes with pre-buffering. It even includes a CPL filter and uses a supercapacitor for reliability. Flagship performance at a mid-range price, making it the best overall pick. If this video saved you from buying the wrong dash cam, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive comparison.